Hello everyone. Today we are discuss about ARM server. Nowadays people are busy with their works. They not have sufficient time to take their family members, importantly the elder members and elder parents, children. Our project is mainly aims for those people who can be fixed at any place like home, office, etc. They can be monitored by using this web sensor. Web server. A web server can be embedded into any appliances and connected to the internet so the appliances can be maintained, monitored, and controlled from the remote place through the browser in the desktop, which will be able to connect the computer communication. This system is especially the internet are playing an important role in nowadays. In modern world, our project ARM web server will be more useful in our day-to-day life.
The aim of the project is to control the device from the remote place through a web page. Here all the devices which are controlled or connected to ARM7 evolution board. Initially connected 9V adapter with ARM7 evolution board and connected the SPI Earthness board using 10-pin FRC cable. The program the ARM7 with Flash Magic. This project aims at implementing the embedded server for temperature measurement, LED and switch controller. Here the embedded microcontroller is programmed to act as a web server. The web page is designed and uploaded in the embedded microcontroller. Since the internet is the network of networks, we can access this web server from anywhere in the world. If anyone wants to access the web server for device control automation, he has to enter the domain name of the web page in the browser of his or her PC. Each PC which has internet connection is identified by unique address called IP address. The communication within the network is established with the help of IP address. The Earthnest controller receives the request from the user PC. The Earthnest controller checks whether the incoming information corresponded to it or not. If information corresponded to it, the information is conveyed from Earthnest controller to embedded microcontroller. Otherwise, it is ignored. So the user can see the web page in the PC. The software model for device control automation is developed in the web page. User can control the device controller unit for his PC by accessing the web page. If the user accesses the web page, the commands to control the automation unit is sent to the web server. The embedded microcontroller processes the information. Data format. A frame sent on a cable has 8 different fields, except the data and pad fields. The length of the fields are fixed. It synchronizes the receiving device in every MAC unit before the important frame content are received. The bit pattern of the permeable field is just 7 bits. The destination and source address indicates the address of the DTES that our packet is going to and coming from. Each address field can either 16 or 48 bits depending on the installation of the LAN. The length indicates field is 2 bits that informs about the number of bits in data field. The data field contains the data to be signed. If the length of the data field is the less than lower limit, sequence of a bits are added to the pad field.
And finally, a web sensor can be embedded into any appliances and connected to the internet so the appliance can be monitored and controlled by remote place through the desktop. ARM sensor has got better performance when compared to other processor. The ARM processor is basically consisting of low power consumption and low cost. It is very easy to use ARM for quick and efficient application developments. So that is the main reason why we using ARM in our project. Our project mainly aims to protect and take care of our elders, children in a critical situation, and this will prevent repeatedly without happening of any issues. So our project will be really helpful and scopeful in future.